Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about how to build multi-agent using LangChain. LangChain is because multiple agents is a complex model. If you have any idea on agents and multiple agents, you will know that agent is someone who's going to be your assistant. But having multiple agents is like multiple tools interconnected and to form a full applications that depends on your use case. So just imagine how complex it is. For that, I'm going to use this framework, LangChain. You can build using LangGraph or any other framework which is available. LangChain is simple, and I'm going to use like one simple demo, which will just square root your number. And I'll have like two sub agents for it and controlling master agents for it. So with that, you can understand clearly that how to build one, and you can have this entire structure in order. So always start with small so that you won't get confused or end up scratching your head thinking like it is more. I can't get and or I'm not able to get what I wanted in the beginning. So let's just have a quick and a small demo. So this is your required packages. I'm going to use Gemini LLM for it. For that, I'm having this particular package because I wanted LangChain with Google. So this particular package will support both and Google Generative AI for your LLM model and understanding the functions which is available in it. And here, so basically, the message human input, human message is basically for the user's message that the query that we ask for, and system message is a reply from. So this is a package which is offered by LangChain directly. And the latest model I'm using Gemini 2.5 Pro, temperature 0 because I don't want any randomness in it, direct answers, and a quick solution for now, not a complex model, as I said before. And here is the sub agent 1. The agent 1 is going to take a square root of it. So it is a simple math. And I just gave a system message with this prompt. You're a math expert. Calculate square roots. And human message supposed to be having calculate the square root of it. So this is like I give, and this one is a instruction to the tool or the web sources which is available. And here is another agent which will give for uh, any square root, like taking square root of the number which is giving. Simple. So agent one and agent two. And here is the manager, I mean the master agent, who's going to organize these two agents. So the message has been given with the system message and human message, and the response, which will be from the LLM. And at last, we are getting the context of it. So this is a structure for agent 1, and similarly, agent 2 have the same structure because it isn't going to do the same math. You can replace this agents with your tool. Start with small, I said, if you are like learning. Uh, don't uh, complicate things. Yeah, complex solutions is not good for beginners. So if you're someone who's a beginner in building agents, don't. So this is something which I'm going to call. So agent, the router or manager going to instruct or ask the any agent like sub agents. We can call agent 1 or agent 2 or both. So this is the final response that I'm going to get when I call the main agent. So here is a query which I gave. What is the square root of 456? For that, so it is actually calling the main agent with a question that I asked, and we'll be getting a final answer from it. And yes, it took 13.9 seconds. Doesn't matter. So it connected with two agents, sub-agents, which we asked for. So the square root of 456 is an irrational number. So it is explaining the entire thing, and finally it calculated and gave us an answer. And for the square root, it just gave for the method to do it. And finally, we have both. So the exact answer for this is this one, 2 the square 114. Okay. So this is how you build multi-agent, and just look at the process and steps, how easy it is. It is required only the tools and the instructions, and what is the task that it need to do. So these are the requirements for building an agent under any framework that you are opting for. So it is that simple as that. Don't complicate things, just understand like what you need in the beginning. Instead of like directly writing your code, just understand what you need to do, and refer the documents from LangChain, like how you can add multiple tools in it. And there are like a lot of open sources are available. You can just fetch those information and paste it. So that's how you can build one. Let me know if you need anything. You can just directly see this code and type, or just replicate the same code which I'm showing in this video. I'm not going to paste this in GitHub and all. It is like a simple one. It is not like complex thing to copy paste or upload in GitHub. Just let me know if you need like more complex model for multi-agent. Next video, or someday I'll just make one for you guys. Yeah, that's all I have. Bye.